I'm getting started here, cutting up my Pillsbury biscuits just into 4s, and then I'm gonna take them right here like this, and I'm gonna load them right into my bowl, you guys. Let's slide that over. Once they're all in your bowl, you just wanna take a second with your clean hands and break up all of those pieces of biscuits so we have them floating freely right here into our bowl. Perfect, that looks great. Now grab yourself a bit of tomato sauce and pour that right on top. I'm gonna keep it light. I'm only using probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons of pasta sauce. Put that right there on top. Of course, we wanna grab some mozzarella cheese. I'm just doing it the easy peasy way today, you guys, and I'm taking about a cup to 2. I'm probably gonna do about a cup and a half of shredded mozzarella. I'm gonna pour it right on top of these biscuits. Yum. Now, of course, we're gonna need to add a little bit of pepperoni to that. So I'm gonna grab out a big handful of pepperoni, just like so. Oops, we lost a couple guys. We'll throw them right in there along with the rest of their friends, right? So we're throwing in this pepperoni. We're kind of doing like a little pizza theme here, you guys. We have football season right around the corner, which, by the way, who are you rooting for? I grew up in Cleveland, Ohio. If you know that, you know that that's the team of the Browns. And well, we always say better luck next year, right? Maybe this year is our year this year. Do we have any other Cleveland Browns fans out there? Let me know, because I haven't found any yet. So don't let me feel alone in the mix. Okay, so I'm not gonna be stingy with this pepperoni. You can tell I'm loading it up on here, you guys. Like I said, with football season coming around, this is a perfect treat to watch the game. I'm gonna grab about 2 tablespoons of melted butter and dump that right on there and finish it up with a little bit of minced garlic. I'm gonna grab like 2 spoonfuls because I love garlic, but you choose, and if you don't like it, leave it out. Maybe you like something else, I don't know. If something else is yours, let me know in the comments, you guys. I love hearing your ideas. And I'm gonna top it off with a bit of oregano. We'll throw that right on top of there because oregano's just like a pizza thing, right? So we're gonna not be stingy about that. Let's put some oregano on. And now the fun part, we're gonna mix it all together so that pizza sauce, the cheese, and the pepperoni is gonna blend in with those biscuits. Okay, that looks great. Now let's slide in our bundt pan here. I am using a silicone bundt pan that I have absolutely fallen in love with. I feel like it's so much easier, you guys. What do you use out there? Tell me all about it in the comments. I wanna know, but I'm saying team silicone bundt pan all the way. So you can see here that I'm just taking these pieces of biscuits and I'm carefully just placing them around my bundt pan along with all of those pepperonis, the cheese, we have the garlic, the oregano, don't forget the sauce, and just a little bit of butter, and all of that combined. Holy cow, my mouth is watering already. So we don't wanna leave any of these guys out. We wanna get them all in there. Just a couple more pieces to go. All right, there we have it. Once you guys got everything locked and loaded in there, we're gonna carefully transfer it onto our baking sheet. We're gonna stick this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 20 minutes, you guys, and stick around because it might not look like much now, but wait until you see how this turns out. This looks so yummy and I am so ready for it. So you just wanna carefully slide it right off your baking dish. And here's the moment of truth, you guys. We are just gonna try to really quickly flip this over. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, that worked out great. All right, it's coming right off, the main reveal. Wow, that looks amazing. Oh my goodness, I love it. David's right, it does kind of look like a little bit of a pizza donut. Now watch that. Because of that, I'm gonna take my bowl and I'm gonna stick it right here in the middle. And then I have a little bit of ranch dressing that I'm gonna squeeze right in there. What a great party idea this is. I can't wait to rip a piece off. Where should I come from? The front here?
Yeah, right there.
Look at those pepperoni and the dough. Oh, the way that it's just pulling apart. Look at that cheese. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna dunk it right in the ranch. Let's go. Wow, it doesn't take much. It's literally one of my favorite things. This is so good. It's doughy and it's just the right amount of sauce. You don't want too much. The pepperoni, the seasoning, the garlic. I mean, look at that. And check this out. Look at how it just pulls apart. You see that? Mm-hmm. You see how all these pieces, they just pull apart and the cheese and all of that stuff is right inside. I mean, honestly, how much better could it get? Wow, this is delicious. All right, you guys, you know the drill. I want to know what kind of pull-apart pizza ring you're making, or donut, as David says, and what are you dipping it in? Tell me if you think this is a great idea for game day, who you're rooting for, and yeah, anything else. I'm all ears. All right, you guys, I'm going to dig in, and I'll see you later. I hope you enjoy.